My name is Andres Felipe Romero, and I'm going to talk about a problem that involves all of us. As you know, transportation is the source that produces the most greenhouse gas emissions in Bogota. The presentation features what we will cover today in this presentation is first the context, that I'm going to say a brief introduction, second the problem, and the solutions given for the problem. Okay, the context. Nowadays, transportation plays an important role in economic growth and globalization, as you already know. Cars, buses, trucks, airplanes, etc. Now, focusing on Bogota, the capital of Colombia, Bogota has a population of around 8 million people and has a rather large public gasoline-based transportation system that, with this growth in the use of transportation, has affected and basically increased the greenhouse gases emissions in this city. Okay, the main problem is that transportation causes pollution and creates a large amount of this type of gases, avoiding having a fresher air in this city. Okay, worth noting, the 90% of the transportation in Bogota is based on gasoline. As you could see, the photos on the left, the pollution in the city. Then, according to statistics made by the Ministry of Transportation, gasoline-based car sales are growing in these recent years. This causes that greenhouse gas emissions increase and keep growing year by year. Okay, it is necessary to highlight that global warming is an increase over time in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and also oceans. As you could see on the graph shown on the left, we could see that the energy use, that also includes fossil fuels and nuclear energy, are the most important source of creating this problem that is the global warming. Now, seeing the graph on the right, we could see that transportation represents the 27%, and it is the second most important cause of the increase of the global warming in the world. Okay, in this slide we could see three important fossil fuels or fossil combustions that, as you know, are the largest source of carbon dioxide emissions. These combustion fuels are the industry of coal, petroleum, and gas. Okay, the two solutions that I give for this problem are first, electric transportation, and second, the human energy. Okay, for electric transportation, you could see in on the graph that is on the left part of the slide, from a world reference, it can be seen that the renewable energies, that means electric, consume almost 50% less energy than an oil and its derivative, that means petroleum, natural gas, coal, etc. The benefits of using electric transportation are three. Noise reduction, that is, acoustic emissions from electric vehicles are minimal. Second one, the lower CO2 emissions. The use of electric energy reduces greenhouse gas emission to almost zero because electric transportation doesn't produce this type of gases. Third, lower energy consumption. As you know, the efficiency of an electrical process is so much better than of an internal combustion process. Okay, what I mean with human energy is walking and also cycling. The benefits of these two ideas are four. First one, the advantage for the environment, that this type of solution produces zero emission of gases. Second one, the health advantage, that daily use of bicycle and also walking are in a aid to improve your physical and emotional health. Third, the less use of transportation, the bike is a clean transportation. And the last one is the advantage of saving time and money because you could avoid traffic jams. Okay, I want to emphasize on cycling because cycling is a very important idea that is that the Colombian government and the City Hall of Bogota have focused and want to increase the use of bicycle year by year, trying to reduce this type of gases. Okay, we can compare in this graph that on 2011 there were 611,000 of bicycles, and now in 2019 we could see that a total of 1.2 million bicycle uses in 2019. So as you could see, this is an excellent idea, and this government is trying to improve this solution. If you have any question, here is my email address, and thank you very much for your attention and your time.